This block clamp is ideal for installing concrete or stone curbs, designed to make the work easy and comfortable without pains when working hours are over. The curb lifter has an adjustable grip range of 100 to 500 millimeters, the load capacity 200 kgs, but it weighs only 27 kgs, 53 pounds. Here the jaws are being adjusted to suit stones of a narrower width. The unique hand-operated actuator allows the operator to grip the stone at will. Here the jaws are being adjusted to suit stones of a wider width. The load will not release until it has been set down firmly into position. On occasion when loads are too heavy for 2 workers, then 4 workers can be utilized. Elastomer pads ensure a tight grip, even on the smoothest of surfaces. By attaching a chain and lifting eye, heavier loads can be lifted and maneuvered into position by machines. This 2-man block clamp is suitable for a large range of handling applications, such as lifting handling concrete and granite curbstone. This clamp can also be attached to a machine, but before attaching the stone curb clamp to a machine, lower the handles by simply pushing the thumb knob forward. Once the stone curb clamp is placed on a stone, the built-in actuator automatically allows the clamp to grip the stone. The load will automatically release once the load has been set down firmly into position. The curb clamp has an adjustable grip range of 0 to 260 millimeters, the load capacity 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, but it weighs only 24 kilograms, 53 pounds.